Chapter 7. Time goes on. Ulta Pulta Time. This is a story with topsy-turvy time. If you look at this story, you will find it very interesting. The colorful words mentioned here are faulty. That is wrong. Select the words carefully and replace again the colorful words again in the blank spaces. Let us start. As the sun sets, then Sumana wakes up. Here, instead of sets, the correct word is rises. What a lovely evening! Instead of evening, it should be morning. She washes her face fast in 2 hours and runs out. Instead of 2 hours, it should be 2 minutes. She goes straight to the bird's nest. She has been watching the eggs for the last few months. Months should be replaced by days. She was waiting for the baby birds to come out. But before she can blink her eyes in a week, a cat jumps on the tree. Instead of week, it should be in a moment. The mother bird cries loudly and Sumana rushes to shoo away the cat. As the cat jumps, it hits the big green mango. Tadam! In 2 days. It is on the ground. Instead of days, it should be seconds. Oh, how sad! The mango is still not fully ripe. It needs 1 more year to become sweet. Instead of year, it should be week. Suddenly, Suman's sister calls out, "Are you still not hungry? Has your stomach clock gone to sleep? Come and eat hot upma for dinner." Instead of dinner, it should be breakfast. Things which take seconds. Blinking of eyes, snapping of finger, gulp medicines, for fruit to fall from a tree, clapping of hands, drinking of water, washing of hands, throwing a ball, squeezing a piece of lemon. Things which take months. Grow wheat from seed to big plant. Change from summer to winter. Walking of a baby. Rotation of earth. Building of house. Melting of icebergs. Writing of storybooks. How old are we? Try to answer the questions on the chart. My today's age is 9 years. My mummy's age today is 40 years. My grandmother's age today is 65 years. When I was born, my mummy was 31 years old. When I was born, my grandmother was 56 years old. When my mummy was born, my grandmother's age was 25 years. Puzzle. Irfan's mother is twice as old as him. She is also 20 years older than him. Guess the ages of Irfan and his mother. Age of Irfan is 20 years and his mother's age is 40 years. Birth certificate. Sudha's birth certificate is given here. Her birth certificate is shown here. Using the given information, try to answer the questions. First, 2/5/2002 shows that Sudha was born on 2nd dash in the year 2002. Sudha was born on 2nd May in the year 2002? Second, how old will Sudha be on 2nd May 2008? Dash. Sudha was born on 2nd May in the year of 2002. So, on 2nd May 2008, her age must be 6 years. Third, how old will she be in the year 2052? In the year 2052, Sudha will be 52 years old. Fourth, on what date will she be 8 years old? Write in numbers. 2nd May 2010, that is on 2/5/2010, Sudha must be 8 years old. Fifth, how many months old was Sudha on 2nd August 2002? 3 months old. Sixth, how many years old is Sudha now? Sudha is 3 years and 3 months old now. Seventh, after how many months of her birth was the certificate issued? After 3 months of her birth, the certificate was issued. Eighth, what is the registration number of her certificate? The registration number of her certificate is 815/02. Calendar for the year 2018. Let us look at the calendar for the year 2018. How many months are there in a year? In a year, there are 12 months. List the months which have 30 days. April, June, September, and November have 30 days. List the months which have 31 days. January, March, April, July, August, October, and December have 31 days. How many days does the February have? The February has 28 days. How many days make a week? A week makes 7 days. How many weeks are there in July? There are 4 weeks in July. Is it true for all the months? Yes. In which month did you come to class 3? April. Make a circle on these dates in the calendar. Mark 26th January, 14th November, and 31st December. Is there something about these dates? Yes. Self-study. Example. Which festival comes first? Given below are some festivals we celebrate during the year. Here in this table, name of festival, date, and name of the day are given. The festival in the order in which they come in the year are arranged in the table. Which festival comes in the beginning of the year? Yes, Pongal. Which festival comes at the end of the year? Christmas. Calendar magic. Here is the calendar for the month of February 2019. Let us mark a square on the calendar and see some magic. Which is the number in the center of the square? The number in the center of the square is 13. Join 3 numbers by drawing a line. The line must pass through the number at the center. How many such lines can you draw? 4 such lines can draw. Add the 3 number on each of these lines. 5 plus 13 plus 21 is equal to 39. 7 plus 13 plus 19 is equal to 39. 6 plus 13 plus 20 is equal to 39. 12 plus 13 plus 14 is equal to 39. Thus, addition of all these numbers is equal, that is 39. Self-study. Complete the calendar. Here is a calendar of August 2018. Color all the Sundays in red. Here Sunday comes on 5th, 12th, 19th and 26th. So, the dates in the red color. On which day does this month end? This month ends on Friday. Write the number of days in this month. There are 31 days in this month. What day is it on 13th August? It is Monday on 13th August. Which date is second Saturday? The second Saturday is 11th August. Is the 21st a Sunday? 21st is not a Sunday. What is the day on 29th? What will be the date on the same day next week? 29th is Wednesday. After 29th, there is no week. How many Thursdays are there in this month? There are 5 Thursdays in the month. Which months in the calendar 2018 have 5 Sundays? In the calendar 2018, April, July, September and December have 5 Sundays. Self-study. The true story of Pedki Devi. My timeline. My name is Pedki Devi. I live in a village in Dhanbad district, Jharkhand. I never got a chance to go to school. I remember that when I was 5 years old, I broke my foot. I had climbed a tree to eat the jamun fruit, but the branch broke and I fell down. My foot still hurts in winter. While grazing our goats, we often got busy in playing. Once at the age of 10 years, I got a big scolding. I had lost one goat. At the age of 15 years, I was married. My husband was much older than me. My first daughter was born 3 years after my marriage. Later, I had 3 more children when I was 20, 22 and 24 years old. Time passed very fast then. I was busy with my farm, housework and looking after my animals. But at the age of 35 years, my world came to a stop. My husband fell ill and died. His brothers tried to take away our farm. They beat me badly and said I was a witch. Some good people saved me. We fought a case against those who beat me up. At the age of 40 years, I saw a police station for the first time. When I was 45, I learned to read and write. 2 years later, I got my eldest daughter married. Now I am 50 years old. I enjoy playing with my grandchild. 2 of my children are studying in school. Self-study. Self-study. One day in the life of Kusum. Let's see what Kusum does every day. Write down the time for each picture. For some pictures, the time is already written and you must draw the hands on the clock. In others, you have to write the time shown by the clock. Kusum gets up early in the morning. Look in the clock. The arm hand is at 6 and minute hand is at 12. So, the time is 6 o'clock. She brings water from the well at 6:30. We will show the time in the clock like this. Look, when clock shows 7:30, she cleans her house. So, write in digits like this. She goes to school at 8 in the morning. We will show the time in the clock like this. As shown in the clock, at 10 o'clock, she is studying in the school. To show this time in digits, it is like this. Afternoon 1 o'clock, she comes back from school. We will show the time in the clock like this. As shown in the clock, afternoon 2 o'clock, she takes lunch with her brother and grandmother. Here the time is written in digits like this. In the evening at the 5:30, Kusum plays with her friends. This time shows in the clock like this. At 9 o'clock, during the night, time before sleeping, she listens to a story from her grandmother. This time shows in the clock like this. Self-study. What we have learned. Learned how to estimate seconds, minutes, hours and days. How to use calendar. Get knowledge of months and festivals of each month through calendar. Learned how to find time in a clock through interesting exercise.